Welcome back to Explore Era. I'll show you how to check a user's location on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, also leave a like. Now let's get right into this guide. There are a few different ways you can check and find a user's location on Instagram. First, you need to go to that user's profile. I'm going to tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the Instagram navigation bar. This will take you to the Explore page. From here, you can search for an account. You might also have the account in your DMs or somewhere else, but it doesn't really matter. Just tap on search like this. Now, type the username of the person. In this case, I want to check Mark Zuckerberg's location, so I'll tap on his account here. Depending on the type of page, whether it's a personal account or a business account, the information may be different. If it's a business page, sometimes businesses add their location in the bio section, but sometimes they don't. Another way to check where the account is based is to tap the three dots at the top right corner of the Instagram profile. Tap on those three dots and you'll see several options. Then tap on About This Account and it will show where the account is based. As you can see here, the account is based in the United States. Just to show you that this also works for other pages, let's check Apple. I'll type Apple in the search and open the official Apple page. Then go to the top right again, tap the three dots, and select About This Account. As you can see, this account is also based in the United States. Now, let me also show you what a business page may look like. Some business accounts add their location directly in their bio. In this example, this business has added their location in the bio, and it shows London, United Kingdom. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.